I started mine.
Hello, every pony, and welcome back to Wolford Place. And today we are playing another Left 4 Dead 2 episode, and we're gonna do another campaign of the passing in the riverbank. Let's see if we can do
Yes.
it.
You'll get to watch me be an idiot again. Woo!
Normal.
I think it's everybody.
No, I don't know jack shit. I will learn on the way though. So
I don't
tell
think
me something I never.
I don't remember. Oh wait, no, I did do the riverbank. I remember now. Oh man, I hate it how we exit the place.
The passing is just like it's like the map from the first one actually.
It's New Orleans. It's a New Orleans. It's what New Orleans French Quarter looks like.
And to make this even better, I'm gonna turn off this light right here for better experience.
Hey, look, we got a dedicated server today.
Oh, yes.
Nice. That's really cool.
Yes. Now we can play without problems now.
Yeah.
I turned it off.
What happened?
My sister was like, wasn't the light on a second ago?
Hi,
Hi, Wolfric sister.
Wolfric sister.
Hi, Wolfie sister.
By the way,
I can
Jordan, they
kinda
say
hear.
hi. My friend's on here. She
I
did.
don't know what you said.
I just heard just because.
Hey, nice ride.
Thanks. Hey man, any chance you lower that bridge for us?
Nope, not a chance.
Oh come on, man!
Can't. Generator's out.
Generator is out.
Historic Under the River tour. Hey, this could be
Holy
pretty
shit.
interesting.
Trust me.
Oh man, there's not
That won't
an
be the case.
axe. Oh, that's messed up.
Maybe stay here and guard the car.
Ellis, I really think the car will be okay on its own.
I'm gonna get this
All
call.
right. Jimmy give Jimmy.
Oh shit. Okay.
Back to you.
I have to answer someone on Discord.
Not as good as the axe, but this will do.
Are we going down? Did I get what I need?
Take that zombie
I
out.
got one pistol.
This zombie just
Me a
dropped the Molotov.
That's a pack. Yeah, I got a pack.
The zombie just dropped the Molotov.
Oh, nice. I was surviving. Yeah.
Hey, look.
Wait, is friendly fire on?
No, there is no
thank
panic
God.
in easy mode. There is no panic in easy mode.
Yeah. Oh wait, cover me. I need to charge my computer.
Reloading.
Oh, I heard something.
I
Charge
got the
this
jockey.
real quick.
Jockey.
There's a spitter.
Alright.
Spit coming.
Oh, what?
Let's get
Try
out
to
of here.
avoid. Oh.
Hey, it's a spitter.
Where is it?
Over here.
Through this store. Nice shot, youngin.
Protect me. I'm defenseless.
I want an
Why?
axe.
Where'd your gun go?
No, I still got a gun.
I hear
Get
a
silence.
smoker.
Just start recognizing the noises. Where did you guys go? I'm so
Here.
Let's
sorry.
try upstairs.
Here, right here, right.
Oh, Wolfric other side.
Sorry, I was picking up another gun.
Oh, okay.
What is it?
Oh,
Did I see a shotgun? I want
there is
a shotgun.
There's a big gun.
gun.
What's that?
Molotovs.
Molly's mine.
Oh my god, poor spike. Holy
Yeah, I
shit.
took one. Can I take more than one motive? What mullet, whatever that is?
That chain gun only has so many ammo.
He's sitting on the chair. Oh my god.
I have smoker for.
Yeah.
Adrenaline shot here.
What is this? Oh, there you are. It's very beautiful. Right there.
I hear Hunter.
Don't
around.
shoot
What
that
is
car.
beautiful?
Wait, what's in here?
It's a smoker too.
Grabbing a shot.
Adrenaline shots.
Be
Is
careful
that
with
for
it.
health?
Careful
There's
with
a
it.
smoker. See it? See it over there? I see a smoker.
Oh, I see
Where did I
that.
see that from so far?
The smoke he has around him.
Oh shit! I forgot. Don't shoot the car, right? Don't shoot the car.
Don't choose the car. Huh?
Wait, where?
Oh,
I don't know where it's at.
he's coming
Oh,
from the.
there it is.
Let me use it.
Where? Oh god. Oh god, I'm so scared I'm gonna hit the car. Ah! Get kind of closer so I don't. Oh! Never mind, fuck the car. Oh, fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck. Yeah, I was like, what's that sound? Is there a purpose to squatting?
Reloading.
Oh, I think we can't hit each other, so it's kind of harder for me. I can't hear shit. The tornado is so loud. Oh, Jesus Christ. The door, close the door.
It's in here.
Oh, okay. I can't go.
No, this one cannot be.
Pistol?
Go upstairs.
I hear a bomber. I see bomber.
What? They go this way?
I hear a woman, but I don't know from where. I think he's outside.
Reloading.
There is
Here.
It's better.
My god.
I'm a reload.
I hear jockey.
I heard jockey.
How do you guys hear
One of
this?
those little
What is
jockeys
this on the
around.
ground?
I coming.
Combat rifle?
Should have taught this class.
Oh,
I
yeah.
bought.
I have found my new
Weapons over here.
favorite
I
gun.
did have fun. I might have like
Wait.
a final.
I don't know which one suited better for me.
Oh,
Where is it?
jockey.
Which one's the machine gun?
Uh,
Sniper rifle?
Nice.
this one right here.
Oh, this one's good enough for me. As long as it repeatedly shoots, I'm good.
Okay, the bomber is outside.
Okay. Tornado pass.
Okay,
I
good.
hear
Hit it.
There you go.
Big guy.
Nice one.
Hunter.
Oh my god, we're...
Oh,
Hey, I'm
there
reloading.
you.
Reloading.
It makes the rainbow that noises. There.
Reloading.
I think I know this part. I don't like it. Yes.
Who is the witch? That... I wonder what she looks like. Oh, okay.
Where's
sorry.
the witch?
Okay,
I didn't
she's
see
here.
her, so I'm gonna follow your path exactly.
She's in the middle.
Stop shooting each other. Hey, I'm reloading.
She's in the middle. Oh! One of us gotta go down then. Oh god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, what is that? What is that? Oh shit. Okay. Is this stuff? Where's the rope?
Okay, so I turn on the music.
how far away. Oh, we did it! That was effortless. Oh.
Reloading.
Well, this isn't the worst meeting I've ever been to.
Lighten it up.
Ooh, shit.
What's gotten into you, girl?
You need to do that?
I heard joking.
Oh, that's the one. There! Oh! Oh! Get away! Oh my god.
Reloading.
Okay. Let's continue.
Reloading.
Oh god, I'm
Behind
on
this bus.
on this one.
It's alright.
Oh, nice.
Safe house back here.
Yes. Yes,
That's
beach.
right. You can't kill
Oh
us.
my gosh, we did way better than we did on the hotel.
That was amazing. I'm so glad the witch didn't kill any of us. Got us down or something.
Wow, so we did the
Mario,
most
I
damage
hear-
on the tank.
I hear a little about the people right now.
That was fun.
Oh, what? I did 0 damage on the witch. You've got to be
I
kidding.
Really?
killed
I
the
didn't
witch.
shoot him?
I killed the witch with mostly explosives. That's why I have 916.
We have 2
I'm
number
gonna
9.
heal my. Oh shit! Whoa, 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 whoa! Chill.
What?
There is a
And
few zombies
scared
up
me.
here.
The gunshots scared me.
Is there an axe? Because I want an
What is
axe.
this? Does this
Nah,
this
no,
multi-shot? Does this multi-shot?
What?
The gun I'm standing on.
That's all
Right,
shotgun.
I have a 12 like as a weapon. No joking.
Should I go with this one? Oh no! Give me back my gun. Yeah, I like this one better.
Right, I have 12 like as my weapon right now.
Oh, Lord.
I don't have that
I will-
mod.
I will. It looks crazy. Like
Okay, we gotta hurry, man. I missed the call.
All right. Oh god, you guys already have
The stairs.
I was
okay,
like,
okay.
I was
it's
like,
time
I'm
for
ready.
you to-
Oh, okay.
It's time for you to choose now.
Watch out!
You are shooting me.
I got a katana.
Aw,
Don't be
that's so
shooting me.
cute. I
Well,
got it.
let me take ammunition.
Oh, he's running back. Yeah, I think it'd be best if we just went. We can handle. Is that a spitter? Oh, that's a smoker. Painto.
Look out.
Ah!
Charger.
What the?
Charges pounding me!
Oh no 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 no!
Hey, look out. I'm a reload.
Thank you.
Here's something.
Watch
Hold on.
out.
I'm gonna heal myself real quick.
Cover me for a sec, I gotta
reload.
heal.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, let's go.
I hear everyone are your robotic right now.
Hey, we can get in through the window.
Can you hear me root or no?
Yeah, I
I
can
can
hear you.
Spit her around. Machine gun.
Because I hear you guys very bad actually.
Oh no! Ooh. Do you hear me, Sunny? Probably, or is it? Are we low?
No, I hear you right very bad actually. All of you.
Ooh.
I know one
Might
thing.
be our
I'm
connection or
grabbing
something.
pills.
Into the construction site.
Isn't apple pills are supposed to be grabbing pills?
Jukebox works.
Wait.
Yes.
Reloading.
Oh, there's a survivor zombie. Kill it.
Reloading.
Oh, damn it.
What did they drop?
They,
Oh my god. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, nice going left like that too. Oh.
Reloading.
That water is annoying.
Look out!
Michelle, stop, girl.
Oh, fuck! No.
Charger.
Oh, there's a lot. Fuck.
Thank you, Sonny.
Let's not shoot each other.
Oh,
Upstairs.
well, frick, dude. I'll give you mine. Where are you? How do I?
Guns
Okay.
here.
The E?
Oh, yeah.
Stop, guys.
Oh, no.
I have to
I
heal.
almost healed myself. Wait, no.
It's third mouse, I think.
Third mouse.
Stand still.
Oh, there we go.
I'm gonna mess this up.
It's the right click. I didn't know that.
What is this?
Okay.
I think we got
Sniper.
Maybe from here. Where are you, back?
They're all
Upstairs.
inside.
Oh, upstairs. That is a weapon.
Oh, is that the
I
survivor?
got the first aid.
Got a first aid.
Yeah.
There's some time about
Is that pills? Fuck that. Where did everyone go?
We went upstairs.
Up here.
Okay,
upstairs.
okay. I got scared because I didn't see anyone.
Jockey.
Oh, I hear a hunter too.
I think he's gonna come up the stairs.
Yeah, jockey's going to come up the stairs.
Oh, God.
I hear
Get
Rainbow
done
Dash,
here.
which is a hunter later, so.
Oh, no, there he is.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Oh, Rob, where did he come from? No, I'm running out of. I'm
Gonna
running out of
take
ammo.
everything I can.
Oh God!
Bye. Thank you.
Oh God! Everyone's choking.
A-Bib unit. Here. Down here.
There.
Into the jazz club.
Pew, 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 pew,
Oh, we're
pew,
gonna do some jazz. Okay.
Hot bomb all the way.
pew. Oh, pipe bomb. Everyone's just be watching. I'm taking myself.
Reloading. Him up.
That's the easiest way to clear a flipping grade out.
Bill's here.
What was that?
I heard like a big cry. I don't know what it was. Oh, charger. Can I turn on my? Oh yeah, I can.
Yeah, it's just.
This will take us under the river.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Oh God, there's so much fire. Oh, Sinner! Ah! I had to run through the fire. I'm sorry. Oh my God.
Oh my lord, that was a nightmare.
Healing. Hold on a sec.
Oh God.
Machine gun.
Every time.
Oh,
Oh
I
fuck.
hear
I'm out of ammo. I need these ones. Oh,
That.
my pew pew pistol.
We got baseball bat.
Grabbing fire bullets.
Stay on the walkway.
Okay. What are you doing, Sonny?
I hear a smoke.
Ah!
Oh! Oh my God.
I knew I heard one.
Oh, thank you.
I knew I heard one
Oh
stalking
my
a bat.
Weapons over here.
Oh.
Reloading.
A boom or something.
Reload.
Man, I
What
swear
is
to God,
that?
you can't
We have
shoot
guns
worth
here.
Is that another gun?
Yeah, it's shotgun. I assume it's that.
Guess this shit's old, huh?
It's
If I
got
don't
more ammo
if
than my
I-
other
if I
one.
don't-
I'll
if
take
I don't
it.
say anything, it's because I don't hear you guys properly.
Aw.
So I am totally on community with you guys right now.
You're shooting me.
Reloading.
There's something over there.
Not sure why. I thought there'd be a couple rides at least.
Rochelle.
What did you say?
Phase 2 coming in 2010.
Watch out.
Shit,
Charger.
phase 1
Oh.
ain't done.
Charger? Oh, fuck. My god.
There's a boomer.
Ooh! Oh god.
Shoot me, please.
Can you shoot through the rails? Oh, okay.
That's
Let's get out these stairs.
Oh, there's a wedge.
That's not good. Oh, is that the crying sound?
Yes, the crying sounds the wedge.
Oh no. Oh, should I turn off my
Who wants to
flashlight
jump
then?
first?
Okay. Holy! Holy mother lord! Where is she? Oh my god! Oh my god. I didn't even see where she was.
Charger.
You might want to wait till the fire dies out.
Charger.
How did it come up? You can't come up. Fucking charger.
They can climb in here.
Hold up, gonna heal.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit.
That worked.
So what, is the witch dead?
Witch,
Yeah.
I killed the witch.
Wait a second. I gotta heal.
Alright. Oh, I'm surprised you didn't take fall damage. Something.
You're walking through a sewer.
All right, out of the water.
No, I don't want to get out of the water.
Oh no. Oh, thank God. I thought I was gonna have the issue again.
Ellis didn't say my favorite line he does there. He talks about finding a Snicker bar in the water.
Thanks for safe.
Run to the safe room?
Keep moving. Oh! Oh, 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 standing behind you! Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck!
Jump in the water, jump in the water.
Hey,
Is that ammo pad? Oh,
Shit,
thank
we gotta
Lord.
hit that button.
I am literally dead though. Like, can someone?
Do you not have
I have pills. Oh shit, shit. Go for it.
Thank you.
I have pills. I can use that for now.
Yeah, use pills for now.
ammo here.
Yeah, that'll help.
Do
Okay.
you want me to do it then?
I opened it.
So this is a run. You gotta keep
Run.
this running.
Oh,
You gotta keep moving,
Oh, okay.
people.
Don't stop for nothing.
That alarm is gonna keep going.
Oh, there it was.
Where is it? Oh my God.
Ladder.
Mine? No! Shit! Oh thank God. Oh my God.
This one works.
Oh my God. Is it not? Ah! Go. Oh my God, there's so many. Ay! Oh God, I guess this is possible. Oh my God, I'm. Oh fuck! Oh my God, are you kidding me? Leave me alone! Oh. I I am dying. I am dying.
You're not far from safe.
Oh my
Let's
god.
not all start shooting.
Oh! Charge it.
Go for it.
No! Oh my god.
That'll keep
Trying to
it
hold
tight.
back. Don't worry. Go for it up. We got him. Okay. There's a pack. There's a med pack right there.
Let's head up the ladder.
Somebody read.
Pills here.
I need it.
And there's another one right here.
Oh,
everybody's
perfect.
gonna look around, grab.
I
Well,
got
grab
that
this
one.
one.
Should I heal myself now or?
When you get
Grab
it.
you some first aid.
Oh, okay. Sniper! Oh fuck! I should have used it.
Will you cut that
Then
shit
again,
out?
never. No
I
one
walk
was.
this off.
There was never a good time to use it.
Yeah, it's right here. It's safe right here.
Back, back, back! Oh! Oh frick! And they just fell down completely.
Oh man.
Was that the one that was always the most surrounded?
That
Man.
shotgun was pretty good. Did some serious
Yeah,
damage.
dude.
I'm just used to the pew 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 pew.
Hey, which one do you think is way
Yeah.
better, using the katana or the axe?
Katana is faster. I think the katana is better. I might actually keep the shotgun, man. I was doing some damage with
Aw,
it.
poor Sunny.
Oh no.
I mean, poor Sunny, poor me. I have 0.
Welcome back.
Hello?
Welcome back.
Oh, what's going on?
What happened? Sunny, you okay? We might have to maybe join another one. I don't know.
What happened?
Sunny's having VC issues.
Oh.
The shotgun's great, but there's only 90 ammo.
Yeah,
I
but
kinda
it does a bunch of damage.
Yeah. I'm used to just blindly shooting this.
I'm using a rifle and a katana.
Nice. Wait, you can have two?
It gets rid of your pistol or your revolver when you get.
Oh, I have to get rid of my pistol.
Yep.
You know
Nice,
what?
Sunny.
You're doing the mission halfway. You rest. Something like impossible to even understand a letter. It was horrible to play like that. Horrible.
Oof.
Can you tell us, tell what we're saying now?
Yes, at least for now.
Okay.
I mean, it was fine, but then it just went to shit. Like, you were like, well, or even I could not hear anything. So I was like totally uncommunicated with you
Oh.
guys. So which is why I was like quiet, because I could not answer you. Like you were saying.
Wait,
something
don't
to
open
me.
the door. Don't open the door. I have a question after Sunny's done. Sorry, go ahead.
So, what happened to my weapons? Oh, me toilet right here.
Can I use 2 different guns?
What do you mean 2 different? You have pistols and then you have a.
No, like replacing my pistol with the gun. No? Okay.
Pistol
Only a
are-
melee?
Yeah.
Only melee.
A melee takes up your pistol slot.
I can't decide between the scythe or the katana. I
There's a
can't
smoker
decide.
around here.
Just take one of them.
I'll take this one.
God, this shotgun is bad.
Oh! Did he smack you?
Yeah, but you're totally not meant to be.
Yeah. I mean, I kind of like the pistol too. How do I get back my pistol? I can't? Fix that.
You gotta take it off the floor right there.
Oh,
Yeah, you have to take it.
thank you.
So the thing is, I saw Krista dying in the last part. That was so intense, and then I just stayed behind you to shoot the pinky pie behind everyone.
I
Then,
was
oh
so
my-
scared.
I wanted to hear Krista.
I was
but
so
no.
scared. I was literally on my last leg of health.
Please
Shut that
stay,
down.
please stay safe, boys. Stay safe. because it's so horrible to play like that.
Yeah.
Like I could not categorize anything. No,
Hey,
that was so
so how
uncomfortable.
do we lower this bridge? I've been thinking
That's the
about
old
this.
players.
We lost
Minus
a good
the
man getting this
grandpa.
goddamn thing up.
Yeah,
I'm not
I'm
real
dying at that
happy about
moment.
putting it back down again.
What happens to the
Here's my
ship though?
You gonna live up here? Look, brother, we lost a good man. Another one is hurt. We
Oh.
can't get that generator filled up until Lewis is back on his feet.
Francis, we talked about this. We're gonna help them. We'll
I will
lower the
stop
bridge,
you.
but you
Nice.
gotta fix the generator for us to
Yeah,
lower
that's
it.
good,
That helps us both.
Sounds fair.
Alright, so this is the boss fight. And it's the same one where you have to take gas cans and fill up the generator.
Oh
Okay,
boy.
so I'll be with Wilfred putting them to the car or something?
Five, you and me. No, we
Yeah.
just need to get the tanks right there. Just,
Okay.
I just use.
You just have to work in teams because it's a pretty big area. So it's not like the mall where you can throw them off the balconies. It's pretty big. So.
I love
Oh,
how
God.
I love how you are attacking and you're looking at everyone, because it's Apple Jacket, it looks very cute actually. I didn't use I stopped recording, so I don't know if that was causing any issue with me.
I guess they'll help, right?
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
I saw Pinkie by spamming there.
Okay, so when the hordes come, when you hear the screams, try to get back to this area with the generators because they have a machine.
Oh shit! Watch out!
Oh my gosh, they are everywhere.
Oh, they're helping us.
Yeah, they're helping us.
Try come with me.
Alright, you go up when we go down and drop this one.
Okay, I can't.
Oh, I was gonna.
If you and Wilfred might want to stick together.
Ammo.
Yeah. Boomer has bombs. Oh no.
Zoe, all right.
Thank you.
Oh shit.
Watch out! Watch out! Hey, look out!
Then Shane near the other people. Oh my gosh.
Sweetheart, don't shoot me.
Sweetheart, don't shoot me.
I think it's better we stay together just in case.
Yeah, this one's
Yeah,
pretty.
got one.
okay.
Alright, so you got.
There was someone coming.
Oh, Nicholas,
Ouch.
I thought you knew how to use a gun.
Oh, okay.
Look out!
Wait, I heard some. What?
Oh shit!
Alright, come back to this area.
No!
Come back to the car?
Back to where the car. Because they'll help
Okay.
you take.
Wait. Wilfred.
Help!
Ow!
Help! Help!
No! Oh, fucking god.
Stop shooting. Come on. Just stay down there.
Protect. Oh, fuck. Oh my.
Shoot me.
For Lord. Oh god. Oh god, Wilfred. Oh no.
Good luck.
That's a smoker.
I hear a charger. We'll get charged and shit.
Hey, kill yourself.
That's the ward.
Oh!
Here they come.
Hold on, y'all. I'm healing.
No. Is there an ammo area? No?
That's what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
there should be somewhere.
A smoker. Careful. I
So-
hear you, King.
Why do we have to come back?
We have.
It's easier because they help
Behind
you.
you!
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Reloading.
Okay.
I hear them, I
Which side do we roll? It's quickly.
Alright, you
This
know what?
side.
Come on, let's go get stuff.
This side?
Yes.
Alright.
I hear a tank.
Hey, got a can.
I hear
I
one
hear a
too.
tank.
I hear one too. I don't know from where.
Oh, there he is. Oh, hi tank.
Oh my god, Wilfred, your character's face scared me.
Hey,
Where
nice
is
shot,
they?
Francis.
Oh shit. Oh god, you threw the gas at it, but I could have shot it. Oh my god.
Here you go. Take this.
Oh god, don't leave me. God, oh god.
They are coming now. Go to the center. Go to the center.
Don't be shooting me.
I got it.
Watch out!
Watch out.
What?
There's the ammo pile right here.
This one.
No, I think when we're around the gas cans, let's use melee weapons.
Oh, okay. Oh,
a lot
I should
easier.
take that shotgun back, but I lost it. I don't know where it went now.
You hear those screams?
I guess I'll just work with an assault rifle, I think, right?
The old man is dead. Right there.
Wait, what? You see a dead man?
You can see his
Hang on
body.
me!
Holy
Where is
shit, that thing's right.
Cute. Oh, anyway. Okay, let's continue.
I'm falling away. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm scared and I need to.
Oh,
Reload it.
A smoker. Nice.
Oh my
They
god.
take one, I will take another.
Okay, I'll protect.
Protect me.
Don't. If I shoot you, we won't ignite you on fire, right?
Tank.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Get away from the cans. Get away from the
Yeah,
cans.
get away from the cans. Oh god.
Got a can.
So risky dropping it right there. I'm surprised I haven't shot much. Oh.
How many do we have? One.
You can have this.
Four. We need six more.
Oh my god. Oh, they went that way.
We are coming for you guys. We're coming
got
for you
this
guys.
one.
Oh,
Yeah, we're
shit.
gonna
Hey.
need protection for this
I
circle
keep
point.
something.
Oh, they're in there.
Hey, watch out.
Down here.
Reload it. Shoot me again. I dare you. I'm getting so mad I can reload it.
Ah,
Squealing
you
worms
little
now.
bitch. You're also a bitch, too.
So we should have
One of those jackets. I see it. I'm gonna shoot the shit out of
you
you.
bastard.
Oh god.
No, go for it.
What, Wolford?
So, little sister.
Good.
Oh my god.
There's so many of them.
Love you.
Yes, they do.
They really
They want to wrap their loving tongue around you.
No, I'll only let Sunny do all that. I'll only let Sunny do.
I was
Oh god, you guys went that way? Okay, I'm almost out of ammo, so.
I was alone with Pinkie Pie and
I got it.
Shasha.
Guy in a $3,000
Alright,
suit.
protect Flight and Walker. God, the cry.
Guys, I need someone here with me.
I'm coming.
Honey?
Okay.
What happened? Okay.
Rochelle.
I'm coming.
The charger.
Oh shit.
Charger.
Oh fuck.
Reload.
Oh, okay, he's dead.
Okay, so we need...
I hear a tank.
Yeah, tank.
Where's the last one?
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Hey,
Oh my
shoot the tank.
god.
There is a tank.
There was. It's dead now.
Alright. That
I am behind you.
Where's the
Wolf.
last one? Oh, there.
That app there. Okay. Same.
I got this can.
Alright.
Yes, we got it.
Oh god, the cry.
Oh,
Holy fucking cry!
Behind you.
Oh my. So you wanna go heal yourself?
Come on.
I will when I get over
You want me to start filling it up?
Yeah, start filling it.
Reload it.
yes. We are almost there.
Pour on the can. Filling the generator. Pour on the can.
Somebody wait up.
Well,
I got this one.
Look out!
Filling the generator.
Got a can.
oh my god. Wait, what?
Still in the generator.
Pour on the can. I got this one. Filling the generator. It's breathing.
Me. Pouring.
Yes.
Just two more.
Filling the
Ah! It's done.
Go to the beach. Go to the
Where did I
beach.
go? Oh, bridge?
Here.
Dun, 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 dun. And we just left the others behind there. Oh my. Yowza. Oh my god, can this bridge go any faster? For Pete.
Oh man, this is the longest run of my life.
Do I press E?
Hit it,
Oh,
Alice.
we just touch it.
We actually all survived this time.
Yay! With the help of the others.
That was
Yeah!
that was nice. That was nice teamwork. There.
Yes,
Yeah.
it was. It was also really
Yes.
intense. Well, that's it for this video. I hope everybody loves it, and we'll all see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.